2.4.
Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have Chevy Equinox 2011, 10, 13, 14. It could be the same. If you see here, system is locked. The body control module was replaced. We are using our MD. This is the fuel pump control module that they replaced this. So we are dealing with two control modules: the fuel pump control module and this piece. This is for fuel pump control module, and we're gonna change also the body control module, which is all the way there. You see that box? Brand new from the dealer and must be programmed. As soon as you put a brand new from the dealer, if you don't download the software, it will not work, because the same box, it works for different cars. So the first thing you need to do, have your MDI or a pass-through device ready, and then you have to go to your test web after you buy the subscription. Download and keep open. Okay, now you're gonna run. When they run and they're ready, it will take you to the be sure your ignition is on. And this procedure is for all cars, all GM, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, General Motors cars. You see? Okay, I don't want to download anything here because I have them already. Skip. Now it will go and open the other page. Verify system configuration. This is the same step for all cars. I'm going to use J2534. Not a programming. The first line is to update the computer. The second, when you replace, say next. Click next again. Okay, what car is it? Chevrolet 2011. And this is from, you can do all the car from 1996 all the way to 2022. Incomplete car, Chevy what? Equinox, this one. Now the computer will read the VIN number. We are going to get one line with the VIN number populated too. Then if you say, okay, that's my VIN number, it will take us to another line. You see, he pull out the VIN number. There is one condition that you will not get the VIN number if the engine computer is brand new. I will click next. Now I have like about 20 or 15 computers. This is why now computer manufacturers now they are getting short, are not able to supply cars with their computers. Okay, so now what are you looking for? B as in boy, body control module. There is a difference between body control module and electronic brake control module. So you have first to program it and then to set it up. Set it up by two ways. You can get it from here. Click yes. Connect. You can click on default, so it's going to be the same one all the time. You can program all those computers that you see: electronic brake, electronic power steering, engine control module. This is what we're looking for. We're going to click next. Oh my goodness, you see all these modules, all this software. Just say next. This module, it works for like different cars, like 20, 30, 40, 100 different cars. This is why you have to go by VIN number to get the right software for your car. The hardware is general. I supposed to get the software download to my computer first from the server on the left corner up. You see the thing that like a planet, that the server on the iCloud or in the cloud itself is coming down to your computer, which is the first line. From the computer, it will go to your car. It's supposed to be to your Tech 2. You can download it into your Tech 2, and then from your Tech 2 to the car. Just an idea to know what are you going to do. It say 11 minutes. It could be 7 minutes. It could be less than that. After you program it, the car, you see that like this locked, it may go away. Because this car, they call it a unibody. And the radio that you see here, you cannot put it into another car. It will not work. Maybe some of them they work, but some of them they don't work. So after we program the body control module, I believe this will be unlocked. Some of them they work, some of them not. But now we are waiting for the computer the software to download. It looks like it takes less than 2 minutes, because I see there it say 10 minutes and now it's 4 minutes. And that's only like 1 minute. You cannot do this job if you do not have internet. You must have internet. Unless if you have other way of reading the software from the BCM itself and from the older one and write it back into it. Up to 2010, 9, they sent, or maybe 7, yeah, they sent, or maybe 7, I'm not sure, but they send you a CD with all software which is available till now if you want to do that. Hold on. You see now it's a 3 minute, and if we reach 50% and he say left 2 minutes, that means the amount of the time it take, you see now we are 50%, the amount it take is like 5 minutes. Be sure your battery is full charge. And this is gonna be, as soon as we finish, I believe the airbag light will come on and it will not work till we finish the programming. Hey, come here, my best friend. Go to Best Car Fixes, my YouTube channel, subscribe. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
All of you, I need you to subscribe and support this channel, please.
What kind of subscribe?
The name is Best Car Fixes.
It's
Yeah. Go on YouTube. You, give me your cell phone. Go to best YouTube.
Best?
Okay, this YouTube. I'm gonna do it best.
Oh, canal
Car. Yeah, canal. This mine.
I know.
Hold on.
I got a 2 video for you.
Subscribe.
Papa, suscribirse.
Oh, subscription.
Okay.
Okay, you go to our account.
Okay.
That's my channel. So we are waiting there. We are waiting for this. And after that, we are going to program this module here. What is this module? This is a computer on the chassis, on the back, all of the back of the chassis. The job of this computer is to control the fuel pump functionality through a computer command based on input and output from the fuel pressure sensors on the car and the demand of the accelerator. You know, like there are some output and input that help doing this. So he put a new one. If you put a new one, it will not start. You have to program it. So we're gonna program this in a few. You see, we have less than 1 minute left. You found it?
No.
Give him the line.
This is called fish.
You see now, still it's locked, but programming is gonna be in a few minutes. It will be finalized. Now, you know what good about it? It turned from right away, instead of making you go and program the key or the security, it takes you right away to the next level by itself to do the 10-minute vehicle security programming, because they know long time ago, before they updated to this, you have to go out, come back, choose vehicle security programming, and it will take you to 10 minutes. This one is 10 minutes. It will unlock the security here, and this sign here will go away, and everything will work. So we're gonna wait a little bit till we finish that one. Okay, now we have 1 minute left. Look at the lock, what's gonna happen to it. And yeah, the lock, the airbag light, we're gonna see it later. But the airbag light also will come and give us some kind of information. But if you look here slowly, we're gonna see after 1 minute, we're gonna get the signature. I'm gonna leave this 1 minute. We're gonna look at this, what happened to it. And the security light, you see the security light and the lock. The lock supposed to disappear. This one also supposed to disappear. The lock will disappear in 1 minute. Yes, now 1 minute. Lock disappear, you see it? Now we're gonna wait for this. Radio locked. Yes. Oh, it's open. We are good here now that our security is beautifully fixed. Now we are waiting for the finalization. Now the body control module is completely programmed. Now you see BCM programming in progress. What it does, I'm not sure. You see now the airbag light come. Before we don't have airbag light on. Now you see the airbag light just disappear. Because we are in procedure of progress. You see IPCM programming and everything it does automatically. The setup is working automatically. Before, the system was not well updated. You see, programming success. Turn the ignition off and on again. Turn the ignition off. On again. And press OK. You see, body control module programming, BCM body control module, odometer programming, everything pass. I'm gonna say OK. This is a signature of programming. I will say clear the codes. The only one thing left is the setup for the airbag, but I believe it's done automatically. We're gonna look at that. But it looked like they upgrade their system and that thing is work automatically. The only thing left now for us is the body control, the fuel pump control module. Don't forget, after everything is okay, turn the key off. After this thing after these things here turning around, yes, now we have everything ready. What you need to do is proceed with the same VIN, but turn the key off for 30 seconds. Because the fuel pump control module was replaced, we may need to do the fuel pump control module programming. But in this procedure here, we're done with it. Turn the key off. I have a security here light is on, which it shouldn't be on. You know why it's on? Because we changed the body control module, we programmed 10 minutes, but I don't know if the 10 minutes was for the key or for the BCM and the key. Let me see now. I gotta go back here. I gotta go to immobilizer. Excuse me, this piece is brand new from the dealer? The BCM brand new from the dealer?
I don't know.
Where do you get the BCM from? Huh? Where do you get the BCM from?
Only coming in this one.
So that maybe is not belong to this car.
I'll say, this guy got the new model.
Engine control power, inverter module, body control module, emulator. I gotta go for this one again. I gotta go through this one to try because maybe he gets something used. If it's used, could be from another car, could be a different learning, different parameter.
Sorry.
So we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna click OK. I gotta go for it now and see what happened. Okay, next. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. Gonna turn the key on. Let me see what happened. Connect. Ten minutes. We're gonna wait again for 10 minutes to see maybe this will be fixing the problem. I don't know, I did it, everything is work, but the security light come back again. I'm not sure why, but it looked like the body control module is used. Please put a new one all the time. The conclusion for this program, I am not sure, but I realized that the customer have a used body control module. Used body control module, as they call it here, unibody or some kind of unibody vehicle or some kind of name that they give it to. You cannot replace a used radio or a used cluster or a used body control module into those cars. They embed it into it. But the security was being done 10 minutes. So I did security for BCM, key, and body control module. I'm not sure if it's gonna be Baron, volume down. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna see. You see the security last time, it go off and come back again. I will try it one more. If it go off again and come back, that means this body control module that they replace it, it may not work. You see now, it's go off. 13 seconds and it's go off. You see, it come back again. It's not good. I mean, the body control module is not okay. You see, go back again. Zero minute processing. Sometime all transponder has been deleted. Next, turn the key off. Remove the key, close and open the driver door. A complete procedure again. You're gonna do this like a couple of seconds. The key is already deleted from the memory. You have to follow this to program this key into it. And I believe that's support. Everything is off now. Ignition is off. The system there is working. We spent 20 minutes on this. Turn it off, on. Everything come on. Transponder key already learned. Click next. Do you want to learn another key? No. You say wait. If you see the bottom in the bottom there, on the bottom there is some differences. The light is turn the key off, remove the key. Open, close driver door. Click next. 45 seconds again. Okay, 1 second left. Let me see where is the key. Turn the key again to the run. Immobilizer procedures completely successful. Click next. Check that the engine is start. Now we're gonna see. Yes, you see, the engine is start, but you know what? Yes, that means when the computer took over to do his programming for 10 minutes, it doesn't make sense. So you have to do it yourself and look for the solution. So I'm gonna say next. Don't depend on the computer function. Do the way you can do. Everything is there. Check ignition. Now it's done, finish. Now we have one thing to do. I'm gonna go back and see the BCM. You put the old BCM in. That's the check engine light we have, right?
Mm-hmm.
For this body, for that one. Okay, I gotta check and see. Do you have the code with the old one too?
For there?
The old one have the same code? With the old computer have the same code? No, that may be something else.
The two computers, same code.
Okay, I gotta check and see what happened. Okay, let me go right now. I'm gonna show you something. What is the function of the GDS here? GDS is a software to diagnose all these new cars with the MDI. This is a software the dealer use. So I'm gonna go with it now. I did not disconnect from the other one. It should take over automatically. So I'm gonna go click OK. You're gonna get here, select device. You're gonna turn to green. This is SAP. I'm gonna close this one. I have to go back in the house, in the main house, and I change this one to GM. Okay, go to manage package, and then I choose global GM, and then I say install or BIOS. What mean BIOS? Install. You just have to install it because this platform is for GM and SAP at the same time. So as soon as he change to GM, it will automatically close the application and then open it again. Now the platform is going to be for GM. We're going to see what code we have there, and we need to know what the solution for it. Is the programming can fix it, or something wrong with the code? Something wrong with the car? It takes long time, but be patient. You see, we have 27 days left. This diagnosis have to be renewed every 3 months. Select device, or it will change green. You know, Chevy Equinox 2011. Enter. This is a new platform for for GMC, and yeah, there is no more Tech 2. This is the extension of Tech 2. أختي كلتما Okay, model diagnostic, vehicle diagnose. Go here. No, go back. When you say vehicle diagnose, module diagnose, go to the engine control module and see what happened. It's 2.4 liter. What code you have? Display code. Fuel pump request elimination, immobilize the key not learned. So this is not a big issue, but you cannot do anything. I'm gonna go here, clear quotes, add all, and then okay. I know that the fuel pump control module we will not be able to clear it. You see, everything is clear, but the fuel pump control module, we have a code. I want to know what it is. Crankshaft variation not learned. Fuel pump control module elimination is P069 echo. So let me go back to the fuel pump to see what happened. Why that code? Gotta go one more. Fuel pump control module, display code, DTC display, P253, ignition on a start switch, circuit low voltage. Oh, that's why the fuel pump have a code. Ignition on, start, switch, circuit low voltage. That's why the fuel pump module have a problem. Do you want to go through, look at it, what it is? P2534. Please guys, I want to show you one thing more. If you are a technician, have this website for you. It's very good. Why? Because you can get all this code fixed. I'm gonna show you in few. Let me log into it. They call it Identifix. You need to subscribe on it. They have a lot of information. They have a lot of information. I want to log into it just for showing you what the benefit of it. When you have a problem, you can go with it and fix it. They change two computers, they have the same code. So we need to check that one and see why that code is. That means two computers could never be bad. Lebaron, on the fuel pump there is one ignition line is missing. That's why you have the code. Code on the check engine light. The engine give you a code. They say look at the fuel pump control module. There is a code P235 something. That code, there is no ignition power or something is missing there. You need to check that. You got it? You need to check that code. Okay? Programming is done. You don't need to program the computer because you have that code in all computers. So you need to go inside. I already checked it. You need to go inside. There is a code inside. I show you the code in a few. And you need to diagnose that code and fix it. Okay? I'm gonna show you the code right now. On a GDS P2534. You have a code there, you have to fix it. And other than that, we don't have no problem. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like. and see you in another video.